correspondence between weight and merit when it comes to evaluating the dead goes back to ancient Egypt. A heart would be weighed on a balance against a feather. The action took place in the duat, the underworld. Hearts weighing more than a feather were rejected and eaten by Amit, the devourer of souls. In the Christian tradition, the Archangel Michael uses a steel balance to weigh the souls of the dead, represented as little naked people. I did not want to follow this tradition and make a figurative representation of a person, a heart or a soul. Having seen people use steel balances on some Italian markets, I started to come across these for sale in junk shops and second-hand stores. They seemed an obvious thing for me to use in an installation. So, not wishing to make a literal depiction of a heart or a soul, I developed a form which was familiar to me, the trapezoid, which appears as a component in many of my sculptures. It also has the possibility, as a shape, to be repeated and scaled up or down. The tobacco drying sheds where I presented this installation gave the sense of being in a kind of place of desolation. The floor was covered in ash and the walls had this sort of dark, smoky feel. The installation has the weighing of souls as its starting point, but my main consideration is the aesthetic feel of the work and the combination of weight and balance, of suspension, of there being a tipping point of sorts. The weight representing the soul is in the balance.